Your charging cable might seem harmless, but it could be a ticking time bomb for your tech. Picture this: your phone is down to 5, and you grab that cheap gas station cable. It feels innocent, but are you ready for the consequences? Many don't realize that low-quality charging cables can severely impact your device's performance. They can slow your charging speed and, even worse, damage your device without warning. Imagine being in a crucial meeting when your phone dies because of that bargain cable. It's not just frustrating, it could jeopardize your safety too. Have you noticed how warm your phone gets while charging? How warm your phone while you charge while charge. That's not just a cozy sensation. Cheap cables can overheat, leading to potential fires. Yes, a simple charge could turn dangerous. Now, think about that tangled row of cables. Some might be fine, but others could put you in a risky situation. You are binge watching your favorite series, plug in your cable, and it fails. Is it the cable or the device? What if it's both? Each time you connect that questionable cable, you're putting your expensive gadgets at risk. So, what can you do? Stay alert for quality warning signs: fraying, discolored wires, or a flimsy feel. A good cable should feel sturdy, not like a last-minute purchase. Next time you are tempted by a cheap option, remember this moment. Investing a little more could save you a lot in performance and safety. It's not just about charging, it's about protecting your tech and yourself. When you reach for that cable, ask yourself, is it worth the risk? Choose wisely. Your gadgets and your peace of mind depend on it. Imagine this: you plug in your phone, expecting a quick and efficient charge. But what if I told you that low-quality charging cables could jeopardize your device and even your safety? It might sound dramatic, but many people don't realize those cheap cables could be quietly undermining their tech. Are you using one right now? Have you ever noticed your phone heating up while charging or charging slower than usual? These could be signs that your cable is a low-quality imposter. When a cable doesn't meet quality standards, it can lead to unstable power flows. Imagine a roller coaster ride with unpredictable ups and downs. That's what your device experiences with a faulty cable. You might think it's just a minor inconvenience, but unstable power flows can cause your battery to overheat. Suddenly, you're not just dealing with a slow charge, you could be facing a fire hazard. Picture this: you're at a cafe, your phone plugged in, and suddenly it starts to smell funny. You look down and see smoke rising from the charging port. Panic sets in. It feels like a scene from a horror movie, but for many, it's a reality waiting to happen. Here's the unsettling part: many people have faced this without connecting the dots. They blame their device, unaware that it's the cheap cable causing all the chaos. So, what should a savvy tech user do? The truth is, investing in quality cables isn't just a suggestion, it's essential. Those slightly pricier cables, they are designed to protect your device. But here's the twist: even those can be fakes. Counterfeit cables can look identical to real ones but are made from subpar materials. It's like buying a designer handbag only to discover it's a knockoff. Before you plug in again, consider this: what are you willing to risk for a few extra dollars? Your device's longevity, your safety. It's worth taking a moment to think about. So, the next time you are tempted by that budget-friendly option, Think twice. Ask yourself if that small saving is truly worth the potential cost down the line. Remember, your gadget deserves better than the hidden dangers of low-quality cables. Make choices that keep your technology and you safe. Have you ever felt a strange tingle in your fingers while charging your devices? You might be surprised to learn that the real danger often comes from something many people overlook: the quality of your charging cable. Imagine this: you plug your phone, expecting a quick power boost, but instead, your device overheats like a mini volcano. Many don't realize that low-quality cables can not only slow down charging but also put your beloved gadgets at risk. You might think it's just a cable, but it's actually crucial. It serves as the bridge between your charger and your device, and if it's poorly made, it can lead to all sorts of problems. Picture this: your laptop suddenly shuts down and you lose hours of unsaved work. Frustrating, right? Low-quality materials can cause short circuits or even electrical fires. It might sound dramatic, but it's true. You could be just one faulty cable away from a tech disaster you never saw coming. Think about those times you bought a cheap cable, believing you were snagging a great deal. You save a few dollars, but what you really got was a recipe for disappointment. Poor insulation and flimsy connectors aren't just minor issues, they can lead to major failures. Here's the kicker: cheap cables often give you a false sense of security. You might use them daily, thinking everything is fine, while they quietly damage your devices behind the scenes. Have you noticed your charger getting warm? That's a warning sign. So, how can you change this? Investing in a quality cable isn't just